Alright, this is Victor Ortiz doing my recording for my GUI portion of my code. I'm just going to read each part and show it being done. Create a GUI using a Java Swing package so that it behaves as follows. Display the grid matching the dimensions as specified in the grid class, hiding the content of all cells. Run it. How many rows? So I'm just going to show this real quick. I have all my variables needed, my JFrame, JPanel, my grid, bomb and count grid, button grid, variables needed for input and for output and input from the user, and a counter that checks the wins that's used for math for the wins. Once the GUI messenger is called from the main method, which is here in the bottom, just gonna do the constructor, which is gonna ask for the inputs as you see right there. In the bottom, I have also the last thing that it does on my constructor is show cheat sheet so I know where the bombs are, so I can do all these tests. As you see, A has been shown here. For B, each cell in a GUI's grid should be a JButton with its own action listener. To show that is when my button grid is being created down here. When it calls the display board, it's going to create a 2D array of buttons, and then I'm assigning each button as I'm going through 2 for loops, making sure that it is a new button, it's enabled, and has an action listener, and then adding it. And that's for every button in the 2D array of the button grid, which would be the same size as specified by the user. Alright, next is each cell in the GUI's grid should be a JButton. Okay, I just did that. Next is when a cell is clicked, it should be one of the following actions. So let's do the first one. If there is a bomb, the bomb the game is over. The entire content of the grid is revealed to show that the player that the cells containing bombs display a bomb. The cells without bombs show the count. Okay. So I have here down here I have my cheat sheet. So let's go to one with the bombs to show the first one. Boom. Everything's shown. All bombs have been shown. And the number. Do you want to play again? Yes, so I can do the next one. Have my cheat sheet in the bottom. If there is no bomb in the cell's count is revealed. So let's go to a false. It's revealed. It says two bombs. 1, 2. 2 bombs. Next one, if the cell is the last one without a bomb to be revealed, the game has been won. So let's see if that happens. Where else don't we have a bomb? False. And it says we have 6, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bombs around, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Then we do another. Boom. We won. Do you want to play again? Sure. But no. So that showed that we won when it's the last one. Game has been won. D. When the game is over, you should be informed via J. Okay, when the game is over, the user should be informed whether they have won or lost and be offered the options to play again. So we're gonna do 1 win and 1 loss. And they should be offered whether they want to play again. Right, so we're gonna do 1 loss first, just to make it easier. Boom. Yes or no? Let's play again. Right. Now let's win this time. Use our cheat sheet in the bottom. We won. No. And now we're gonna show that no works. Boom. Alright. That's everything. Um,